All right, we're out here at round 1 MXC at Thayer. So it'll be a pretty good day today. I ain't racing. My ankle still broken, but we're out here with Braden Slade, you know, MHSC champ. But he's over there watching his brother get ready, or watching his brother practice, and then he'll get ready for practice and head out to race. I don't really like talking to the camera. I'll get used to it by the end of the day, but we'll see. There's the man right there. Look at him. Here's the man, the myth, the legend, Austin Holsey. What are you doing in here?
Fucking shit up.
Say what?
Fucking shit up.
You know what you're doing here?
I just had this whole roll.
Unravel on you?
Yeah, it fell out.
Are you gonna do some damage today? Get it done? How was the quad yesterday? Muddy? No. It looks like it wouldn't be muddy to me, honestly.
Ran out of roll-offs yesterday.
You ran out?
Yeah.
That's terrible. Holy crap. That's bad. Where's your helmet? That's not... It looks like you wiped it off, but yeah, that ain't bad. It's gonna be muddy today. Oh.
Dude, these kids are smart. They're not racing on the practice lap.
Oh, revving it, dude.
That's heat.
Can you have it? Those look like adults, not no
Yeah,
kids.
they're pit bike class.
Really?
Yeah, adult pit bike.
It might be him, is it?
Yeah, that is him.
This is Braden's little brother.
You can see where he gets it from.
Oh yeah. Dude, I just want souped up Honda, whatever the heck that is.
It's got 150.
Dude, he's making it in that freaking motorhome. Ain't no way.
With the trailer.
Oh, this little kid might hit that. He's making it. This kid's ripping. On the Cobra.
All I gotta say is, when I come through here, nobody's safe from not being
Dude,
sprayed.
no, I'm gonna get covered in mud today. I 100% guarantee I'll get covered. Oh, this guy might be screwed.
No, he's hauling. He's hauling.
I don't know.
Although this little Ranger might get him done. Does he have his doors open? No.
Oh, he's got it. Oh, he's mad. Look at this dude.
What are you doing?
Are you ready?
It's not open yet. They gotta get all the kids off. What? It's a fucking 90 off the start for the whole shot, dude. That's terrible.
That's right off the rip. He go all the way down here then. Woo!
I'm gonna go straight through the Dunlop banners, the barbed wire, that field, the creek down there.
It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache, but it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never ends, it works its way inside. If the pain goes on,
Casing it. Oh. Oh. It was Braden on the practice lap. That ate it, dude. What are you doing? This is AA start. See if Brady can get a whole shot or not. That Yamaha will start. The Yamaha probably won't, sadly. Oh no, he's right. Yeah, he's right up there. Second off to the whole shot. He's covered in Russo. This will be A-class start. I'm not sure how many A-class riders we got. Hell yeah. The guy on the beta was Braden's uncle, I think. Pretty sure. I don't know. Looks like only one guy. Dude. Props to that guy getting the whole shot. Dude, he struggled for that one. C open. I think Austin's in this one, but we'll see what he does in the whole shot. Might be some carnage in this one. There's Austin. Tons of guys now. No crashes yet. That's surprising how muddy it is. Neutral. Braden's first is AA right now. Second's right back there. Dude, he's on that red one. Hell yeah. Come on, Brady! Here's second. Third, oh, he's out. Hell yeah. There's a bit of a gap right now. Putting on a good lead. That's second, AA. Third is somewhere. There he is. I think this is fifth AA. Fifth place. Fourth place I missed, but I know this guy, he's pretty cool. I don't know his name though. Forget his name. That's A-class first. Come on, Austin. It's the old Slade. You got a good lead on the second. Better rail this rut for me. I'd be mad. Oh yeah, he's ripping. This is second AA, I think. Yeah. Third. We're not too far back from Slade. The Slade's got a pretty damn good lead. Look at this dude. Come on, Slade! Yeah. Braden's coming through scoring. He's still first AA. Come on! Go faster, pussy! Come on! Oh, we got a little bit of air. Dude is mud bogging over there. He about died. I had to let him out back here. Here comes Braden. There's a lapper in front of him right now. I don't know. Oh, yeah, he's getting around him maybe? Yeah. Come on, Braden! There's second AA. About a minute behind him. My boy Slade. Here comes second and third AA. Braden's still got a major gap on him. It's probably... I wish I had it on video, but...
I'm glad you did.
Dude, I wish I did. Become YouTube famous. You ain't got too much longer. This might be your last, or you got one more. Either last lap or one more.
No, I think I'm gonna.
Oh, you think you're done? Alright, man.
Yeah, I'll enjoy.
You too, man. Poor guy crashed right here. I wasn't even recording. Poor dude. That was kind of funny, but kind of not. I think I'm done. Get her done!